The year may be winding down, but we still have important data coming out this week that will show how the Canadian economy fared in the last few months of the year. On Tuesday, Canada's inflation data for November will be released. It should give a good indication on where the Consumer Price Index will end up in 2023. Annual CPI rose 3.1% in October, which was the slowest pace since June. A Bloomberg poll of economists predicts annual inflation for 2023 will be 3.9%. So it will be interesting to see what these data mean for next year as talk of rate cuts increase. On Friday, we'll get Canada's real GDP figures for October. A preliminary reading from StatsCan suggests the economy grew 0.2%, even though GDP contracted at an annualized 1.1% in Q3. It's a mixed picture, but the consensus is the economy is slowing, even though Canada has avoided a technical recession so far. Did that continue in Q4? These data will provide more insight. In earnings, we have two global leaders of their industries reporting that will show whether consumers are curbing their spending. FedEx releases Q2 results on Tuesday, followed by Nike's Q2 earnings on Thursday. Freight market share gains and the fallout from Yellow's bankruptcy in August should be positive for FedEx. Pricing power will be in focus as ground and express margins could benefit from new initiatives. Execution of these new strategies, along with structural changes across its networks, will be key in delivering savings and boosting investor sentiment. For Nike, lower inventory levels, strategic pricing, and supply chain improvements will be key to driving margin gains. Innovation in sports, lifestyle, and women's products are also seen as drivers for growth. Focusing on China with specific apps and partnerships with e-commerce platforms are positive for long-term growth. However, a stronger US dollar could weigh on the results. That's Advisor Lookahead for this week. We won't be releasing a video next week, but please enjoy our year-in review articles on globeadvisor.ca. Advisor Lookahead will return on January 8th. Happy holidays!